Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I am going to talk about the VM appliance, how to create VM appliance. So VM appliance is nothing but to connect the multiple network. So I am going to show one demo in action. So this is my VM name and this region US East 1 and US East 1B. Then just select the machine type and the main part of this video to come to the advanced option. So in this advanced option, just as you can see, I have attached to 3 networks as per my VPC. So my private network, my management network, my network. These 3 networks I just attached with my VM appliance and hope it will work. So as soon as we created the VM appliance, to log in with VM appliance and then we will connect to other VPC VM. I mean So that VM appliance created. Now through VM appliance, how we can connect with private VM, my net VM, and my management VM. So this is the agenda. So let me SSH to this. As you can see, the internal IP and the network connected. Just to check. You see in VM appliance the network connected, all networks connected. You see VM appliance 3 network connected, NIC 0, NIC 1, NIC 2. So 3 network connected and to communicate with other VPC VM. So let me click on SSH. You see this is the broadcast IP. As you can see, private US VM. This ping, just you see and ping, it is also pinging. So in my VM appliance, just able to connect with this one, but not able to connect with Europe. The reason is that whenever I just let me show this VM appliance, click on VM appliance and go to the networking part. As you can see, this sub network is different. So in this VM appliance, VM appliance which we created in this particular region, US East 1. So US East 1 region, and the sub network is associated with the region, like same region, US East 1. So those network is US East 1, US East 1B, US East 1B, that is connected, but other is not connected. This is Europe West C VM. This is not connected because the region is different and the sub network is different region. So that's why through this VM appliance we cannot connect to the Europe, but rest of the VM we can able to connect through the multiple network. So I think this video will be helpful, and thank you for watching my YouTube channel, and don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye bye.